guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a pin on Pinterest. So press this plus button and press create a pin, and you can drag and drop or click to upload like a picture. So I'm just going to select this one. Make sure you upload, pictures that are yours. Tell everyone tell everyone what your pin is about. So I'm just going to write gaming setup. Oops. I'm just going to write that, and I'm just going to write Sage slash oh. I'm just going to write that, and I'm just going to save it. You can either save it in a board that you've created, or you can just press create board, but I'm just going to put it in my Valorant board and press save and wait for it to upload. I think that's when you're done. There you go. Maybe later. And that's it. My pin would have been saved in Valorant. And if I press created, as you can see, I have created a pin. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!